Hey guys, it's Roger. I'm on location at Walnut Creek, and this is the brand new MI Homes Marvin II plan. Beautiful front porch, and by the way, if you're moving south, you got to learn how to wave, guys. That's what we do down here. Now, what's amazing about Walnut Creek is that it's huge. It's a great family destination. In fact, you may be watching this video because you already have family that lives in Walnut Creek. It's been building out for several years in a really positive way. And great for kids, and huge clubhouse and amenity center, really nice. But here's what MI Homes has done. And this is a trend I'm seeing among really smart national builders, is that they're carving out sections for ranch-only homes. For instance, here in this section of Walnut Creek, about 160 plus homes that are gonna be like this, ranch, look how big and wide and open, ranch plans, homes with 1 and 1.5 story. So when you've got 160 plus homes in one section like that, and it's not 55 plus, you know, not everybody wants all the amenities and the lifestyle and the HOA payment, quite frankly, of the 55 plus, and I love them, by the way. The big four, they're killing it. But here's what I'll say to you. When you've got a section of ranch plans with 160-ish of them, you're going to have a lot of people like you, like me, retiring, downsizing, and moving from up north. And MI Homes has really figured out so many things relative to floor plans, to finishes, and to affordability and price points. For instance, there are homes in here you can get in the $250 to $300, and some in the $300 to $350 range. Now this Marvin II plan, for instance, there are spec homes available right here, right now in Walnut Creek in that mid 300 range that gives you pretty much every little bell and whistle that you would want. Look at those undermount sinks. Man, I'm loving this Marvin II plan. And then here you go with a really ample shower, 2 shower heads. Wow, I love this. So many options available to you here. And MI is anal about their energy efficiency. They do things that a lot of other builders aren't doing, like that attic tent. By the way, invented here in the Mooresville, North Carolina, Charlotte area, that basically seals off your pull-down stairway in such a way that you've got very little energy being lost, and you know, heat rises and goes out the top. Now we're gonna swing around to this other wing here. See, we haven't even touched half of it. You walk in from your garage, you've got a great little place to put your purse or your keys or your laptop coming right in from the garage here. And then you've got this separate wing, because I'm hearing people that are, you know, mid-50s, mid-60s that are retiring, but because they have an aging parent that's, say, in the 80s, they're reluctant to leave up north where they are. Is that you? You want to give me a call, because think about allowing your mom or your dad or your parents to live out their life right here in this back bedroom with their own bathroom and laundry room, proximity right here. I mean, that is killer. There's nothing like that. And so this is decked out as an office, and there certainly could be that, a craft room, a sewing room, exercise room, and yet you also have the blessing and benefit of having another bathroom here. Now, because this is a model home, they have this ADA, but you're gonna have a nice master, really a second master suite area for them. And so give me a call at 704-345-3400. Let's go upstairs to this Marvin II. And what I would also ask you to do is click the like button on this video. Just do it right now. And click the share button. And if you know of anybody that's considering moving south, relocating, downsizing, send that video on over to them. And of course, hit subscribe and click on the bell notification so you get an alert when a new video comes out. Love to help you. I'm a relocation specialist. New home construction is my thing. I love it. And we use these video tours to help people, not only to attract you to me, but also in the process of building your new home. Can I help you with resale? Of course. Here's another full bath up here and another full bedroom. So again, this is perfect for a returning college grad. Let's say you're in your 50s, 60s, you got a kid coming back from college. How about this? They still love mama's home cooking. So you've got a space for them. I would definitely charge them rent. That's the way you'll help them along in life. 704-345-3400, reference Walnut Creek, MI Homes, and this is the MARVIN II model, and there are others. Let's talk soon.